It all started with a dream to sail the world, experiencing new and amazing places, food, and people. But first, let me introduce myself. My name is Brian, and for the past 3 years, I've been traveling with the military to many different places. I was in Iraq for a while, and boy was that place hot. I got to experience Sweden and the amazing culture there, from the ice hotel to seeing the northern lights. I even got to go dog sledding. And boy, were those doggos friendly. I've been cave diving in Canada and even got to relax by the water on Lake Ontario. But now I'm back in the United States with only a year left on my military contract. I've been chasing what I experienced for the last 3 years, but I didn't know where to start. So I did some research and found that sailing is one of the best ways to see the world on an affordable budget. Now, the tricky part. Trying to find a sailboat that was perfect for me. I spent weeks trying to find the perfect sailboat for my dream, but it didn't come easily. After much searching and failed deals, I finally set my eyes on the one. A 1985 Catalina 36, and boy was she pretty. With the deal finalized and my dream finally turning into a reality, I set off on a whole new adventure to make this sailboat my dream on the water.
So I hope you guys are going to enjoy this. I'm going to be posting every single step of the way. I hope you guys stay with me. I'm actually currently driving to the boat right now. It's about an hour drive away. So I'm going to start driving and I will see you guys soon. Alright guys, I just made it to the docks. I brought everything already to the boat because it was way too much to carry. And I didn't know my luck I'd fall in the water. So anyway, here's the docks. It's super small. It's nothing crazy. It just affords just the right amount of what I need. So I call it home. Or, well, at least home on the weekends. But anyway, this bee, what the fork? Leave me alone, please. Alright. Here we go. Let's go ahead and go to the boat and I'll show you what it is. All right, guys, here we are. It's a short dock, so I didn't know how I was gonna do that. But 3, 2, 1. Now for the inside. Well, that's the boat in like a short. Tried to make it kind of cool. I've never done this stuff before, so it's an adventure for myself and it's a learning experience. But that's my boat, so let's go ahead and just take you through just slowly. So you step down the ladder and you have the little galley area, sink, lots and lots of storage down here and down here that actually all pull out. Like I said, some of these things I gotta fix still. So like I'm gonna make a list of everything. Got our gimbal right here. Still works, 2 burners and an oven as well. Little microwave that's hooked up to the AC power. Little grill for when we're outside having fun. This is the dry storage, and don't judge me for what's in it, but it's pretty deep. And it goes all the way back into there. Actually a lot of storage for dry foods and as you can tell, afternoon beverages. And then we got our freezer here and a fridge actually. But unfortunately, this was one of the things that don't work. So I had like a little cooler in there, and I'll put ice in there, and then like it's kind of like double insulated, I guess. Lots of storage in here too for various things and stuff. I do want to change these out eventually and like make it like kind of nicer. Then you come back here to the back to the back berths, and just like you got one bed here. I just have some fishing stuff here. That's a hang closet right here, and then also you have an entire bed in here as well, and that's where my steering cables is. So that box actually goes right up there. So it's kind of, it gets a little bit smaller, but not too much. And there's always a way to put a door here so people can sleep in privacy. Next, we got our little captain's chair, which we'll be doing lots of plotting. More storage all up here. One of my trinkets for when I went home after I told everybody I got a sailboat, they bought me a gone fishing sign. Navigation table, got some charts in here, stuff like that. Not bad storage either. We got all the tools, which I'll show you later. More storage here, and back in behind the seats there's a lot more storage. I got battery chargers back there right now. More storage in there, and also over here too as well. And then more tool storage. This is like my main, like if something ever goes wrong. And then more storage all down here. Here's our head. It is a shower head too. This pulls out as usual. Got some storage up here. Got a shower bench right there, and just a regular Japsco toilet, which I do want to change out. And then the V berth, which it's a little dark in here right now, so I can't really see, but got a nice storage all up top, which I have some things. I have all the blankets because I've been slowly bringing things here the last few weeks, trying to get everything I do need. And then just another hanging closet slash, like, I guess for clothes or whatever I need it for. I'm just using it as like a miscellaneous storage. I think that's pretty much everything. So like really this is like the first actual day that I've actually been able to kind of have everything here and actually focus on the boat and actually start getting work done and making it my own home on the water. So I hope you guys do enjoy this series. If you guys do, I would love for you guys to subscribe, show some support, and also on any videos that come out, make sure you guys put some comments on maybe some ideas or maybe some better how-tos that you guys have seen. Every little bit counts. I hope to see you guys on the channel more and more, and I hope to see your guys' comments. And again, welcome aboard to SailingAnteros. Cheers.